Student, myself Anirudh Dobriyal. Student, today we are doing very good exercise 5.3. Student, in this exercise we will apply Sridharacharya formula. I told you in class we studied in class 10 that if you have a quadratic equation like this, so you can solve it. You can solve it by Sridharacharya formula or quadratic formula. What is the formula? It is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 4ac upon 2a. All of you, this can also written as d, so it will be minus plus minus under root d upon 2a. You can write it, all of you. Now it can be written as this, d upon 2a. Now we have question number 1 of it. We have x square plus 3 is equal to 0. So solve each of the following quadratic equation, all of you. So in this question, this is very easy. We can write like x square is equal to 3 minus 3 it will be. So x is equal to under root minus 3. So I told you that it's plus minus will come here, because whenever under root is we are putting under root, then its 2 root will be there. So plus minus it can be written as minus 1 into root 3. Yeah, so it can be written as x is equal to plus minus root 3 iota. All of it, this is the solution of for this question. Now question number 2 we have 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here on comparing with this, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is coming 2, b is coming 1, and c is also coming 1. So all of you, now we will first of all we will find its d. So d is b square minus 4ac. We studied this formula in class 10th also. So it will be minus 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 1. Yeah, so 1 minus 8. So minus 7 is coming. Now we will put this value in formula. So formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square, or d you can write, upon 2a. Now all of you can put value. B is 1 plus minus under root minus 7 upon 2 into a is 1. So it is coming like 1 plus this will be 7 iota upon 2. 7 iota upon 2, all of you. This is a is 2, so it will come like 4. So this is our required answer. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 7 iota upon 4. This is our value, all of you. Now question number 3 we are doing. All of you. What is the question number 3? So question number 3 is x square plus 9x. This is of the same type. 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. First of all, we will compare with this, ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is coming 1, b is coming 3, c is coming 9. Now x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d, or you can write b square minus 4ac. You can first of all you can solve for d. If you don't want to solve, you can do like this also, minus b. So what is the value of b? It is 3 plus minus under root 3 square minus 4 into a1 into c is 9 upon 2a. A is 1, so it will come minus 3 plus minus under root 9 minus 9 4 is 36 upon 2. So minus 3 plus minus 36 minus 9, it will be minus 25. It will be minus not 25, it will be 27, all of you. 27, because 9 minus 6 is 7, so it is upon 2. So you can write like 27 you can solve. Right now I am writing iota upon 2. So 27 can be written as 3 root 3 iota upon 2. So it 3 you can take common. If you don't want to take, you can write like this. So this is our required answer, all of you. This is our required answer. Now one more question I'm taking. I'm taking question number Question number 4 is of different type. All of you, 4 is of different type. I'm taking question number 4. Nothing is different, it only minus sign is in front of x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. We have here, all of you. Now we'll compare with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is minus 1, b is 1, c is minus 2. So x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So minus b, it is 1 plus minus under root b square d b square minus 4c. You can write here d or b square minus 4c are equal, so you can write b square minus 4c also here. So it is coming 1 square minus 4 into, what is the value of 1? It's 1 into minus 2, so upon 2 into 1, 2 into minus 1, yeah, minus 1 is there. Now when we are solving it, all of you, what is coming? Minus 1 plus minus under root, it will be 1, it will be 8. So it will come minus 7. All of you, it will come minus 7 because this is minus 4ac. This is also minus, so it will be minus 7 upon minus 2. Now when we are solving it, so what is coming, all of you? What is coming? It is coming like minus 1 plus minus under root 7 eta 7 into I upon minus 2. When we are putting this minus sign in, this will be plus and this will be plus minus, yeah, 7 eta upon 2. So this is our answer, all of you. One more question I'm taking, one more question of different type, under root type of question I'm taking. Question number 8. So this exercise is very easy. This exercise will finish right now. You can ask me your queries tomorrow in next lecture. You can ask me. So I'm taking question number 8. It is root 3 x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. So first of all, we will compare with this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now a is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus root 2, c is equal to 3 root 3. C is equal to 3 root 3. Yeah, this is the reason. Now first of all, we will find d. It is b square minus 4ac. So d is b square is minus root 2 whole square minus 4 into a is root 3 into c is 3 root 3. Now it will be root 2 whole square is 2 minus 36 is equal to minus 34. Nothing is different in it, only under root is there, otherwise everything is same, all of you. You are is in class 11th, you done most of the things in class 10th also. So it is here plus minus d is minus 34 upon 2 into a is root 3. So on solving it, what is coming, all of you? This is coming root 2 plus minus root 34 eta upon 2 root 3. This is our required answer, all of you. So in this type of questions, what we are doing, first of all, we are comparing the given equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then a, b, c we are obtaining. Then we are finding d. It is the formula of discriminant b square minus 4ac. Whatever value we have here, we are putting, and then we are finding d. So after that, we are applying the Sridharacharya formula. You knows minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Then we are putting values in that formula, and after solving, we are changing this in iota form. Minus 34 can be written in the form of under root 34 into iota, and this, by this method, this we are obtaining the final answer. So the type of the questions are very easy. Try its examples in homework, and if you have any query, you can ask me in live class. So today we discuss, it's a very good question, question 1 to 8, and 1 2 3 question we will solve in our live class. Thank you very much.